Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video I will show you how to turn your Android phone into an iPhone. But before that you can go to our YouTube channel and smash that like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. So guys, maybe you want to buy an iPhone soon, or you want to see if you would like it, or just out of curiosity. I don't care, I will just show you how to do it. So for that we have to go on our Play Store and search for iPhone 12 launcher. Install this app. Then go ahead and open it. So now we have to select our wallpaper. I will select the first one, it doesn't matter. Let's get started. So you have to allow to take pictures and record videos, allow to access photos and media. So it will look just like this, just like an iPhone. So we have to enable to draw over other apps permission so that the application can work perfectly, they say. So okay, enable now. Search for the app. iPhone 12 launcher right here and enable it. Okay, enable. You can set it to full screen to hide the navigation bar. I will leave it like this for now. So yeah, now it's just like an iPhone. We have to swipe down for our status bar. Okay. Permission requirement. Yes. So now our Samsung, I have a Samsung S10, now looks just like an iPhone 12. It's really different. Let's swipe down and up to see what happens. I didn't ever had an iPhone, so I don't know how is it and how to control it. Okay. So yeah, that's it guys. As you can see, it's really simple, and you can always go ahead and uninstall this app if you don't like it. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please comment there below, and see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Bye bye.